Welcome. My name is Abel Sanchez. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at file system basics on the PC. As you get started programming, you will have to refer to resources in your machine. And by this, I mean a folder or a file, an image, or a video clip. In order to be able to identify that, you will need to construct paths. And in order to construct your paths, you will need to understand the hierarchy of information within your machine. Now, as you can see here, I have a couple of windows open. And on the right-hand side top here, I have a graphical representation of the file system. And you can see here a number of directories and a text file. Now, let me point out something else. If you click within this field, you can see the hierarchy of the location that we're currently at. And that's C:JavaScript. We're within the C drive and within the directory called JavaScript. Now, if we look at the left-hand side, we have a command window, and we can achieve the same, but there we will be using command line tools. So as you can see there, we're at the same hierarchy within the file system, and if I use dir, this will list the files, and it will return to me the same information that you can see here graphically on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and perform that. And as you can see there, we have the same elements: Atom, README, Sublime Text, Test. Now we can also navigate, which is that next command that you see here, cd. If I enter cd and the name of a directory, let's go ahead and select test. I'm going to go ahead and enter cd, test. And if I list my files again, I can see that inside of that directory, I have a text file called hello.txt. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Yes, we can see it. And I can use then the next command, more, to see the contents. I can do more, hello, and see that the content of that text file is hello world. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Yes, we can see it. So you can see here how we're navigating to this hierarchy with commands, and you can see also that that same information is represented graphically in the right-hand side. A lot of these concepts come from the days of offices where you had big file cabinets. Inside of that you had folders. Inside of that you had documents. So you can see the analogy here with that same hierarchy of information within your file system. Make sure you feel comfortable with what that is, and don't worry about the actual commands as I have specified here in the terminal. Simply get comfortable at constructing the paths that will take you to a particular location. Now, with that in mind, if you're not already familiar with these concepts, make sure you create a few folders, make sure you navigate up and down your hierarchy in the terminal window, and make sure you feel comfortable with these terms, these concepts, these commands before you move forward. Remember, you don't need to memorize the commands, you simply need to know how to navigate the hierarchy and how to construct those paths. So with that, let me go ahead and thank you and say goodbye.